Ford Fusion with that 1.5 liter. It's set up here. AC compressor. Couldn't really find nothing online, but I just know they got it packed down in there. Just a quick one. Take off the AC belt. Well, the serpentine belt, the one belt for everything. The tensioner is back here. The one you see back here. That is around the wheel, look like kind of backwards way. After you take the belt off, disconnect your battery positive post because you gotta take the positive off the alternator. Take off the alternator, two screws, one right here. This is a stud. This other one had a stud, but it came out, so I took it out like that. Two studs there, and it got one more screw way at the bottom, like on the side, looking at it from this way. See, and it'll look like this. It got the tensioner pulley. Yeah, you gotta unplug these two that connected to under the positive wire. They got the pulley on the side. See, this the screw like right next to the pulley. The other two screws at the top. So get that out. The AC compressor down there. It got three screws in it. The thing about it is, you could get all the screws out except the one at the top, like on the farthest side going towards the driver's side. You're gonna have to take the AC line off that's in front of it, because for one, the screw long, and two, I really couldn't get a ratchet or nothing in there to get the screw out. Then it's such a tight spot in between, like you see the fan and the motor. You really can't get nothing in there to get the screw off, to get the line off. So I got the first line off, the closest one towards you, and when you're on the passenger side. It wasn't too hard, but I got it off with a wrench, just a regular 13 wrench. After you get it off, the stud that holds like the line on, that mounts to the compressor, you're gonna have to take that one out because it's like in the way. But then again, you may not, because I end up couldn't get it off that way. I came for that other one, I came under it from the bottom and kind of wrenched like at an angle and got it with a wrench, a regular little 13 wrench. And once you get that line off, you'll be able to get that other screw that's like on the far side over there. Once you get that out, the rest of them, you got to wrench at them a minute because all of them in a tight spot. But you can get them out pretty easy. Then it'll come out through the bottom. That's what we got going, man. And remember to take a loose. It's like one more connector right here. Take that loose before you get to trying to wiggle it out. But shit. Let's try to come. There we go. Yeah, it's another connector too. So don't just let it drop. And it's one in the front. Don't forget to take that one. That's why I say don't let it just drop, bring it down slow, you'll see it. I don't really think you can unplug it while it's still mounted up there, but it's one here, it's one here at the bottom. And you gotta take off a lot of stuff, but that's how I did mine. Oh, and what my light? These two water bypass lines, they gotta come off too. So get something you could drain your antifreeze. You're gonna have to take both of them out because they both in the way from getting to like the screws on the compressor. But other than that, that's it for this one. Like I got 5 pieces.